Welcome back to the Onare channel here. Today we will bring you some latest technology news. Title: Apple Vision Pro, unveiling the future of VR/AR tech.
Hey, tech enthusiasts! In the realm of cutting-edge technology, all eyes are on the upcoming Apple Vision Pro. According to Apple analysts, this much-anticipated device is set to hit the market either late January or early February, with a whopping 500,000 units ready to ship. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo adds to the excitement by predicting a grand reveal at the June 2024 WWDC, though whispers suggest we might get our hands on it sooner, in late January or early February. Now, let's delve into the technical marvels that the Vision Pro promises. Boasting a revolutionary color filter applied to a white OLED, it utilizes WOLED+CF OLEDOS technology, promising users a visually stunning and immersive experience. LG Display contributes to this visual feast with a 6-inch OLED featuring 145 ppi pixel density and an impressive 800 by 360 resolution. Comparing it to Apple's own iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Vision Pro carves its own niche with unique specifications tailored for a distinct experience. But here's the catch: this innovation comes at a cost. According to recent reports, Apple plans to supply the first wave of Vision Pros with 500,000 units shipped within the first year. However, there's a twist in the tale. Initial estimates of 1 million units have been revised to less than 400,000, raising questions about the device's availability and demand. Behind this ambitious venture is none other than Apple's CEO, Tim Cook. With a price tag of $3,499, the Apple Vision Pro stands as the most expensive standalone VR/AR headset in the consumer market, surpassing competitors like the HTC Vive Elite XR and the Meta Quest Pro. The high cost, however, positions the Vision Pro as a significant player in the VR/AR arena, with Kuo dubbing it Apple's most important product of 2024. So, are you ready to witness the future of VR/AR technology? Buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of the Apple Vision Pro, unraveling the mysteries behind its design, features, and the hefty price tag that accompanies this groundbreaking device. Stay tuned for our in-depth coverage as we embark on a journey into the realm of innovation and tech excellence. If you like this video, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and comment below.